Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from DraftKings. Alright, let's begin. First, open the DraftKings app and log into your account. Here, at the top right, you can see how much balance you have. To start the withdrawal process, tap on the person icon or your profile picture at the top left corner. From here, you will see options for deposit and withdrawal. Since we are withdrawing money, click on Withdraw. At the top of this page, you will see your available balance and how much you can withdraw. I will withdraw $50 from my available balance. After entering the amount, hit Continue. You will then see options for receiving your funds. You can choose PayPal transfer, which takes 3 to 5 days, a check, which takes 7 to 14 days, or online banking, which is 1 to 3 days via ACH credit. I will select online banking since I already have my bank account linked to my DraftKings account. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, there will be steps provided to do so. Once everything is set, click on Request Withdrawal for $50. Your withdrawal request has now been submitted and the processing time is 1 to 3 days. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from DraftKings. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. Thanks.